Welcome to another tutorial. I just wanted to do a quick one today to delve into the essential technique of the slipknot. While the magic ring is a popular method for beginning projects in the round or granny square, the slipknot technique offers a versatile alternative that's particularly useful for beginners or when you want a firmer center for your work. Whether you're new to crochet or simply looking to expand your repertoire of techniques, mastering the slipknot will empower you to embark on a wide range of beautiful crochet creations. In this tutorial, I will guide you through, step by step, the process for creating the slipknot. So gather your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. Okay, so here I just have some worsted weight or 4-ply medium yarn, and it's just the Craft Smart brand. I got this from Michaels. So what you're going to want to do is take your yarn, and you want to give yourself quite a bit of a tail. Alright, so you want to have quite a bit of extra yarn. I usually like to have about 6 inches to weave in at the end to make it extra secure. And what I do is I lay the yarn like this in my hand. So it's between my index finger and my thumb, and I have the tail coming on this side. And then what I do is I take the working yarn and I put it over the tail. So I put it over the tail, and then I grab the end of the tail and I pinch here, and then I pull through that loop. So it should look like that. And then by doing it this way, if you pull on the tail, it'll tighten it. So this is useful for when you're making something in the round or a granny square. Once you're done putting all your stitches in the center or in the slipknot, all you have to do is pull the tail and it'll tighten it up and close it. So I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, so set it up like this with the tail on the thumb side. Put the loop around your index and thumb. Put the working yarn over the tail. Grab the tail with your other hand. Then pinch with your index and thumb. And then you're going to put the loop over and then pull tight. The last thing that you need to do is take your slipknot, put it on your hook, and pull the tail so it fits nicely on your hook, but not too tight. You want to be able to move it around easily. And then you are good to start crocheting. Thank you everybody for watching, and before you know it, you'll have so many squares, all with very secure centers. Alright, thanks again.